a bit insane actually, because you can fool anybody. Who's gonna know? Who is going to know? Wow, wow, wow. Who can talk to you? A wig wet. Who's gonna know? This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Oh my God. I got some new hair today. One of my favorites, Geniuswigs, and they have a concept that has blown my mind, and if it does what I think it's gonna do, I think I'm gonna change all your lives. It's not often I get excited by wigs because I have hundreds, when I say hundreds, hundreds of wigs. But this one, so apparently we're making wigs with a headband. This should be the ultimate, you guys, fluff and go wig. It literally has a headband on top. Come on now. Look at that. I'm, what? And it's got this little, like, I don't have words. I'm so shook right now. Like a headband, I've never seen anything like that. And it comes with all these colors. I'm excited. I am excited. And it comes with the wig cap too. So, Geniuswigs, I'm gonna need you guys to send wig caps that are actually my complexion, like brown. Most of the ladies that buy your wigs are probably brown to dark skin. This isn't cutting it. I've seen brands put in different color wig caps to suit their client's skin tone. So please, can we get some dark brown wig caps, okay? This light blondie is not working for me. Anywho, seeing as we're not going to have to blend anything or see the wig cap anyway, this should be fun. But for the next one, I'm gonna need you guys to do better. There it is. What? Okay, alright, okay. I'm a little shook. So this has Velcro on it and you literally just stick it down. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take my Tesco shopping trips, my running errands. Look, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be what I'm gonna throw on. You literally just snap it like that in the back here. And I'm guessing you can wear your hair up, you can wear it down. Hello? No, that's a bit insane actually, because you can fool anybody. You can be on the ground like, yeah, I just got my headband on. What? Oh my God. Who's gonna know? Who's going to know? I like the bright color one. Let me see. So who's gonna know? Who is going to know? You can just be like, yeah, I'm just in between treatments right now. I just blow dried my hair today, so don't worry, don't stress. I always like to expose a little bit of my hair in the front just because, you know, it looks more realistic. If you got it all the way up covering, it doesn't look that real. I can't tell you guys how many times I've been in the house looking raggedy, sis. And my boyfriend just comes like, babe, let's go do something today. Let's be out, let's go. And I'm like, do you not see me sitting here with these cornrows that look like they were done in 1952? With no makeup, looking like a foot, looking like a bag of stale Cheetos, and you're asking me to go out at the drop of a hat. I've got to go put on a wig, I've got to go get dressed up, or I've got to take my cornrows out, fluff up my ass. I've got to do things. I can't just leave this. Do I not look like I'm just giving some black girl chic with a little ponytail? Look at the back. Hello! Let me just put on a different outfit so that we can see what this looks like. Cause, come on. Isn't this cute? Isn't this a look? Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking. Can't stop looking at myself. But you can also wear it curly. And that is the game changer of this wig. It looks like Afro hair that's been blow dried out, but you can literally curl this up and it will be amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. All you're gonna need is a spray bottle with a little bit of water in it. And then you literally just give it a spray and brush it through, and it will start to become curly. You can see it's already starting to curl up. Do you see what's happening here? Do you see that? I'm gonna spray this hair real quick, or you can just run it under some water. I'm gonna do that and show you guys, and look at how easy that comes off. Hello! If you want to obviously secure it, it's got the clips in there as well. But I don't anticipate anybody snatching a wig off my head, and I wouldn't be embarrassed anyway because I show you guys my hair all the time. So it's no thing for me. I don't like using the clips. I don't want to pull out my natural, big, glorious afro. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna spray this down and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now you can keep it this curly and wet if you want, so you can have that look, but you can also diffuse it so you get a big curly bouncy look. 3 different headbands come in the pack. Oh, this one's a different style completely. Like, it's like a crisscross kind of style, and this one as well, like a crisscross kind of style. Remember that you can change it. You can put your own headband if you want. You don't have to use the ones that they've given you. I like this green one, so I'm going to put the green one on, so you can have a wet curly look. But I don't feel like this goes with me very well because I don't have curly hair. So when you see my 4C hair in the front, it's not going to match this kind of 3AB kind of texture. So I'm going to diffuse it to make it a lot more curly, a lot more fluffy, a lot more afro. Give me a second. I don't know about you guys, but I like big hair. If it's going to be curly, give me big hair, don't care. Curly whirly vibes. So I'm picking out some of the curls. Of course, you can get it even curlier than this if you spend more time doing it. And you will spend time gelling your edges and putting the swirls and the curls and the what. But I just washed my 4C hair, okay? I don't want no gel, oil, nothing in there. I want it to just be. This is literally just protective style and go. I wish somebody would talk to me, man. I wish somebody would talk about this hair. I'm so excited. I never get excited about hair like this. Like I do, but only when it's really, really special. This is special. This is special. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. How can you tell me I can just put this on in 5 seconds and go? How? How? How, Lord? Look at it. And I have my hair out in the front. It's the versatility for me. Like, you can go from straight, you can go in a ponytail, shoot. You can even put this up. Let me put this up for you guys. Who's talking to me? Nobody can talk to me. And let's say you want to bring down some strands, right? Just reach underneath, grab like a strand or two, put it over your ear like this. Put this here like that, like so, and grab your water and just fluff up the little donut, make a little mess. You can even give yourself some bangs if you want. Like, look at this. Don't be giving away all the secrets though, girls. Let me show you this. Grab a few hairs from the front, right, and just lift up your, pull it up. Who can talk to you? A wig wet. Who's gonna know? Who is going to know? Who is going to know? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Everybody's going like, this is my hair now. This is my hair now, it's done. I'm done. This is it. I can't. I've never been this excited about it. Like, wow. So there is a lot you can do with this hair. I'm gonna put it back in my favorite style, which is literally just down. Imagine if you wore it back here though and you made it look like you've got cornrows in the front and the wig in the back. You can also do that as well. Like, you can style the front of your hair, put a headband, and then you've got a style in the front and a wig in the back. The versatility is literally endless. I'm gonna go back with this yellow band because I really liked how it looked. Oh, that's another way that you can wear it. You can wear it like a bandana and have all the hair in the back if you want to. So the more time you spend fluffing this hair, the bigger it's gonna get. As you can see, it's getting bigger. I think I'm quite happy with how big it is now. But yeah, I think I'm happy. I can't wait to get some headbands for this. Oh my gosh. You know it's gonna be crazy. Yeah. So I think that's it, guys. I think I've shown you guys pretty much how you can style it, how crazy you can be, how creative you can be. So I hope you guys go forth. The link is in the description bar. Everything you need is always in the description bar. My Instagram handle, all my other socials, so you can catch up on the deets, you can catch up on all of my crazy antics. All of that is in the description bar. So if you do buy this wig off my recommendation, please tag me in it on Instagram. Share your photos. I definitely want to see how you guys style it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.